Hello everyone. I just wanted to talk, about ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus has recently been introduced. It's a paid subscription of $20 a month, and it contains GPT-4. So it has, two unique features, which the general ChatGPT, the free version, doesn't have. Number one is plugins, and number two is code interpreter. So I'll first talk about plugins. So plugins is a feature, wherein you upload any document, a PDF document, or maybe a Word file or any text file, like through the upload link. And after, putting the document in the upload link, you ask the chat GPT some questions, like related to that, that please tell me how the things go further or how do I proceed. So interestingly, yes, ChatGPT actually goes through the document, it processes the data, and then it presents you the answer what you want. So that is what plugins is all about. And code interpreter is, like you put some code, in whatever language you have written, be it C, C++, Python, like in any of the text file, and upload a text file into that code interpreter. And then, you ask the ChatGPT, what is wrong with my code? Where am I going wrong? Where are the mistakes in my code? Because many a times we are trying to see the errors in the code. What are the problems in that. Myself being a C programmer, there are instances that I want to find out what are the errors in my code, like where is my code going wrong. So when you ask the code interpreter the issue, it gives you the answer. Okay, this is the place where your code is wrong. And then you can also ask it to give me the entire corrected code. So the code interpreter also gives you the corrected code. So these two are the features, and I have found them to be very very helpful. And definitely $20 a month subscription, $20 is actually worth it. It is worth paying $20. I have really found it very useful. However, I have also found few errors in that. Like sometimes GPT plugins, despite seeing the data sheet, there may be a very accurate data. The chat GPT plugin might give you a data which is very near to it. Not always, but yeah, sometimes it will not give you the exact data even after reading the data sheet. So yeah, I think there needs to be a lot more work done. So definitely I'm not from the field of AI, but yeah, so even in plugins I have observed some things, but yeah, at the same time it is giving you the closest approximation, which no other, maybe, like by searching on the internet, it cannot be done. From your own efforts, it will take you time. So these are the what unique things about ChatGPT plugins and code interpreter are. However, I feel that there could be also one more feature added. It's that even now, till now, you cannot upload multiple documents at the same time. That feature is still missing. If in case that comes up, you could upload multiple documents at the same time. For example, it does happen. Like if you want to do a certain task, you have multiple documents for it. Everything is not cannot be done from one document only. You need everything, some things from every document. So if that feature is introduced, that you put multiple documents in it, and then you ask, from this document I want this, from this document I want this, and overall, if that could be done, then it would be very helpful. Of course, first it is still possible in a way that first you upload one document, after whatever can't get the answer for that, then you upload the second document. But processing all the documents at the same time, that's something different, and that feature is still missing in ChatGPT Plus's plugins and code interpreter features. So this is the review which I have given on ChatGPT Plus, and I would definitely recommend you all to give it a try. It is worth it. Thank you so much.